everybody, this is Sherry with CPR, Craft, Pray, Repeat. And I just want to share a real quick project I made for Happy Random Act of Kindness Week. I just made some real simple little treat boxes for Jesse to give to the ladies who work in the office at the police station. They take really good care of him. And I could never repay him for always keeping a good eye on him. And if there's any questions about anything, they immediately call and, you know, check with me and make sure, is he allowed to have this? Is it okay if he does this? And so I just made him something really quick and simple. And I'll be back in 1 second to share that with you. Alright, before I share the project, I just wanted to show you which paper pad I used. And this is an old paper pad. It's a Tilda paper. It's called Spring Lake. And it's got these beautiful, like, teals and pinks and creams. And so it's just really pretty. And I used my Recollections 110 pound cardstock. And I'll show you my project now. Alright, here are my containers. It's just a real simple container. I purchased the die from AliExpress. It comes with 2 pieces. The one that makes this right here, and then one that cuts out the square. And it also cuts out this circle, and it does stitching around it. But when it cuts out the oval, excuse me, and when it cuts out the oval, it also puts stitching on it. So I used the same die to cut this little oval out, and on my computer I just printed out Happy Random Act of Kindness Week. And there's a little heart that I used. It's just another simple tag die that I have. It's got several little tiny stitch tags, and I'll try to link these for you. And I just used things that I had in my stash. I used these garment pens from BB Crafts. I used ribbons from my stash. These I purchased from AliExpress, and this was gifted to me in our embellishment box swap with Diane from Crafting with Fury. And I just hooked on the little tag, and each one of them has the little heart tag underneath of it. And it also has the thing that holds it on right here is a little heart also that you put your little pin through. So it just is on there as a little added embellishment. It's not something that I normally would put on, but I just thought it added something really cute to the boxes. And now I got it all cockeyed. But they were really easy to put together. Now, it did take a sheet of paper to make each one. So, I mean, that may not be feasible for you if you're going to be making a bunch of these. But I knew that I was only doing the 3. And I will be doing something for Easter for all of the police department. But just for this, I wanted to thank these ladies. Because, I mean, the police officers are great with Jesse as well. But these ladies keep a real good eye on him. And at times, Jesse can be a handful. And I just took and ran the string through, or the ribbon through, and didn't tie it in a knot. It's just real loosely tied on, just enough to hold the little box closed here. And this is hooked on with a glue dot, so it'll come off and be easy to get the string out. And 3 fun-size Kit Kats fit in the box perfectly. Now, there are a couple ways that you could do this box, and sorry for reaching here, but I had made this one and was going to use it for Valentine's Day and didn't. And if you take and you switch it around so that the piece doesn't come up the front, you could make it to look like this. But I just I wanted it to go this way because the Kit Kats came up a little higher than this, and I didn't want to see them because, of course, it was orange paper, so it definitely didn't match my color scheme. So doing it this way, you know, covered up that they were orange. But if you had a candy that matched your color scheme, you could always do it just like this if you wanted to. So, I mean, the dye is versatile, and there's a couple ways that, you know, you can use it. I absolutely love Tilda, you know, stamps, Tilda paper, Tilda everything. So I just thought it would be fun to kind of pull this out and use it, because I hadn't, you know, I'm trying to use what I have. I had to go to the doctor's today, and usually that's my chance to go to the store, because whoever takes me, which is normally my daughter, you know, I'm out and I'm at the store, you know, near the store, so I can stop. Sorry about that, guys. My memory card's full and I need to delete things. But I told myself no, and I talked myself into coming home. I was tired anyways. I thought, this way I don't buy anything and I do what I set, you know, out to do this year, which is to, you know, use what I have. So I'm trying to remind myself as well as you, here's what we have. And I know it's killing me, because I know there are a lot of really cool clearances at Hobby Lobby and Michael's going on right now. But, you know, I really do have enough. Leave it for somebody who needs it. That's what I'm trying to tell myself. Alright, I won't keep you any longer. These are what I made for Random Act of Kindness Week. I hope that you like them. I will do my best to link the box if it's still available, as well as the little pens, and or the little hearts, and if I can find these still on BB Craft, I will link them as well. So if you like this video, give it a thumbs up. If you have any questions or comments, leave them below, and I will definitely do my best to answer them. Remember to practice your CPR, craft, pray, repeat. Thanks for visiting me today, and happy crafting. Love you all. Bye.